Hi my lovely people, welcome back again to another quick tutorial. Today I received this Lenovo laptop model number G560. The problem with this laptop is that when I turn it on, sometimes the screen remains blank, at other times the display is okay. This is a common problem which affects many laptops, so whether the display comes sometimes or not, the solution remains the same. But there are other few circumstances where the problem may be coming from the motherboard, and we'll look at that in other separate videos. So let's try and turn it on and see what happens. As you can see, the laptop is turned on, but the screen remains blank, and the cooling fan also spins, but the laptop shuts down after a while. Let's try again. The screen still remains blank. Let me try one more time. Yeah, this time the display is okay. What could actually be the problem? First of all, let's disassemble the laptop and locate the RAM section. Now let's remove the RAM and clean the terminals using an eraser or any cleaning solution like isopropyl alcohol. I normally use just an eraser to solve this type of problems. We are going to clean the RAM at both ends. Rub it gently as demonstrated here. After, clean the leftover residue and ensure the terminals are clean as possible. Now reinsert the RAM back and give it another try. Please try and turn on the laptop for about 2, 3 or 4 times in that order to ensure the problem is resolved. As you can see, the laptop is back to normal. There are other similar problems that may require advanced skills to resolve the problem. We will look at them in our future videos. Now let's do one more test to ensure the problem never comes back again. Whilst the laptop is on, gently press or tap the RAM as demonstrated in the video. This test is carried out to check if the laptop hangs up or freezes at this point. If the laptop still works fine, it means the cleaning process was 100% successful. But if your laptop hangs up or stops working, please try the RAM cleaning process again, and if the problem still persists, just replace the RAM. Please kindly note that there are several reasons why your laptop may be experiencing these problems. So in case this fix doesn't work for you, then please try some other solutions and see if it works. So that's the end of today's tutorial. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you promptly. Also give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful, and also share it to anyone you think might need it. Consider subscribing if you wish to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.